Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny and this is Creating Crafts with Jenny. And a few weeks ago, a company by the name of Feelook reached out to me. It's Feelook Art reached out to me and they said that they thought my channel would be a perfect candidate for their company to do an unboxing or an opening of some kits. And so I went on their website, and I will show, I got some space on both sides here, what their website looks like. They do diamond painting. And so I went on their website, and I'll show you some of their different things that they have. And there's some of their diamond paintings are some of the cutest diamond paintings I think I've ever seen. They are absolutely adorable. And they are really what I would say higher end diamond paintings. I mean, they truly are. They're something that once you've done them and had an opportunity to work with them, then it's something to be proud of. It's not a cheap diamond painting. You know what I'm saying? It's worth your time. You know, that sort of thing. And so they came to me and they said, we have a new campaign. And the campaign is called Love, Romance, and Healing. It's their pink design. And they wanted me to make sure that I showcased it this week on my channel and to do 1 or 2 videos. And I said, absolutely. So I will show you some pictures of all, there's, I think, was it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 8 designs, and I'll show you different pictures of all the different ones that I could have chose. I chose Vital Kitten, and that's the one that I'm going to open up here in just a moment. They had a bloom, and I'll show you that one. They had, I'm just looking down here on my phone to make sure I say them. They had bloom, pink blooms, spots, which was really cute. Carousel horses, magic unicorns, pink teddy, and what's this other one? White horn. And he was awfully pretty too. Some of them are just, I mean, the colors are just absolutely gorgeous. I'm anxious to see what's in the box here. Like I said, I picked up Vile Kitty, and it is a 50, what does the box say? It is 58 by 78. And I will show a picture. Make sure it doesn't get tangled up in my camera up here. It came a box in a box, so it was very well packaged. So that was very nice. So what I'm going to do is switch you into my other camera over here so you can have a good view of what I'm looking at. And this is the diamond shape is round, and it is 50 by 70, so it's a pretty good size canvas. In here it shows basically steps to creation. It's got some information here on the outside. It's got some kit content. Basically, it's got some drills, your boat. It's got some, looks like some baggies and a pin, and then of course your canvas. And it also was wrapped up in this. I just want to make sure I did take that off before filming. So let's take a look and see what is in the box here. So open it up. Here. And inside the box they have the viral kitty. This is really cute. And they've got here something where you can sparkle light collection card. Oh, that's cute. And it's got a QR code here. We'll scan that here in a second and see what you get. And it's a Feelook Art. And let's see if I can get my cord out of the way here, not knocking my camera down. And in here, it's got more instructions on how to work. It says work in sections. That's always a good idea. Organize your diamonds and label the diamonds. So, label your bags if you want to use the bags. Some people use like different little shakers and that sort of thing. So there's that information. So let's open this up and see what it looks like on the inside. All right. Oh my goodness. Look at the colors. Oh my goodness. Okay, the camera's focusing really well. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, isn't she pretty? Oh, she's so pretty. Aw. That's so pretty. I should don't knock my camera over. Lifting up my lights here. Oh, there we go. Okay. So here's your drills. Look at all those pretty drills. Oh, that's gorgeous. Can I open them up? Oh, these drills. Look at all of that. Oh, the camera's like, what are you doing? There it focuses. Look at all this. Wow, look at that. Alright, like I said, these are round. Look at that. Look at the sparkle in the background. You can see where it sparkles, where the sparkle is in the background. You have legends on both sides. It's so easy to read. It's interesting to see how far the diamond paintings have come. I remember when we first got them, they were like so hard to see. Oh, it's got some big ones too. Oh, that's cool. They're in here. Oh, look at them. Aren't they pretty? See them? Oh, oh, cool. Very pretty. Okay, let's see what's in the little pouch here. Alright. Alright. Let's see what they give you. There is, looks like some wax. Ooh, look at the pen. Oh, this is nice where you can, as you twist up, the wax comes out. And then you get your bags. And let's see what else you get. And you get a white boat and some more baggies. Oh, you get some tweezers, which are always nice. Oh, another boat. That's good. Kind of keep you going. Oh, some numbers. That's cool. And I think that's it. Okay, look at those. Look how shiny the numbers are. Oh, pretty. Alright, so I'm thinking we have you have 60 numbers here. So, and you have 47 bags, and then you have it's like you've got that spatial one, which is this one here. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, look at all those. Aren't those gorgeous? So look at that. Very nice. Very, very nice. And there's also numbers on here also that correlate with what you've got out here. So like the O2 is the same as your O2 up there. This is the O1. Goes with that kind of weird looking, I don't know if I can't see what I'm looking at. Can you see it up here? No. Oh, I don't know if I can move it here. Let's do that. Well, here you, nope, can't see that either. I don't know if I can move it. Oh, here. I'll just do this. There you go. So you've got your legend over there. So these numbers over here match up, like the 04 is that plus sign, that sort of thing. So if you're looking over here, you look for your plus sign and then you go grab the 04 and that's where you would put that. So that's how that works. Look at the colors on this though. Look at her eyes, isn't she pretty? Oh, she is gorgeous though. Look at the big ones. She is a beauty though. She is so pretty. Oh, she's gorgeous. Okay. Alright. So there you have it. So this company is Feelook Art, and I will show a picture of what their website currently looks like, and then they're going to be loading up their pink series. So yeah, I mean, the canvas has like a sparkle background to it. How so very cool. That is really, really neat. So yeah, like I said, their pin's really cool. That is really neat. Where you just kind of like push it down and the wax comes out the end of the pen, and then they sent you some more wax in their little container. That's pretty neat. And then you have your baggies. So it's pretty neat. So basically they sent you everything that you need in the kit to be able to do your diamond painting. So you have everything. So there you have it. Alright, okay. So I'm going to, I have some other things I want to do, and what I always tell you guys, go out there, be absolutely awesome. Do your thing, and I'll see you in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.